Most investors market like it is 2010. The top investors build systems that work all day, every day. If your phone is not ringing with motivated sellers, your marketing system is broken. On Saturday, February 21st, I am hosting AI Marketing Madness, a full-day workshop on building a real estate marketing machine. Street tactics plus smart technology. AI-powered systems built for real investors. This is not generic marketing. This is how investors generate seller leads and buy houses where owners give you the deed. Little to no money, no mortgage qualification, repeatable deal structures. You learn how to use AI to write ads, messages, and follow up in minutes. You set up automated text, email, and voice campaigns that run daily. You blend digital marketing with proven offline tactics so nothing gets wasted. One system for everything. This is execution focused. Real systems, real tools, real examples. You do not need to be tech savvy. You need a system that works. Join me live on February 21st in Duluth. If you want technology working for you instead of chasing deals, be in this room. Register now.